Hey guys, Disney Collector here with 6 Easter eggs from Imaginext.
I'm a predator! No, really, I am!
These egg surprises came in 3 different colors: yellow, purple, and green. Well, I think it's time for us to open these Easter eggs. Let's start with the green egg. Now purple, yellow, yellow, purple, and green. Now we're gonna make 3 Easter eggs using Play-Doh: yellow, green, and orange. This one looks like a dinosaur egg. Now we need to decorate them. This little egg will get some polka dots. A white stripe for the green egg. As for the red egg, we're gonna give it some colored spots. I think our egg looks pretty good. With Play-Doh, we can also decorate our own little dinosaur. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more Play-Doh and egg surprises right here on Disney Collector.